Okay, so you say that your voice is amazing?
Duh.
Show me.
Okay.
Where'd you get the microphone from?
Obviously, keep a microphone with you just in case. You don't know when you could need it.
Okay, weirdo. I don't care, so come on. Just get this over with.
I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you.
Horrible, bro! You said that your voice is missing, and unless I see this, what are you talking about that your voice is like the most beautiful one? And like, Dad, please, shut up. I think you're gonna make me die.
It's not that bad. Okay, maybe it's that bad. Whoops.